Hello my dear juniors, welcome to 360 class. Today in this problem solving series हम डिस्कस करेंगे सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन एनिमल्स के बारे में और यहाँ से हम इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करेंगे. So let's kick out the problems. So the first problem is male sexuals in animals are known as, the first option is ova. Ova, which is the female sexual zygote. This is the product of fertilization. And sperm is the male sexual. Okay, male sex cell. So the correct option is sperm. So the second problem is the cells involved in sexual reproduction are called. First option is ova. Now this is the female sex cell. Then sperm is the male sex cell. Zygote is a product of what? Fertilization. So the correct option is gametes. Okay, gametes is the cell which involves in sexual reproduction. Then the next problem is what is called fertilization. Fertilization क्या है? एक बहुत ही important term है इस chapter का. The fusion of male gametes यानी sperm. Okay, male gametes यानी sperm with a female gametes, which means what? Ovum, to form a zygote. Okay, is called what? Fertilization. So fertilization क्या होता है? जब male gametes यानी sperm and female gametes that is ovum के साथ फ्यूजन होके क्या होता है? जाइगोट का फॉर्मेशन होता है, तब हमें उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? फर्टिलाइजेशन. So the next problem is the unborn baby in the uterus in the early stage of development is called what? Is called the answer is zygote. Okay. So in this stage the baby does not fully develop. Okay, and it is just an early stage. Okay. So the next problem is define internal and external fertilization. So there are two types of fertilizations. One is what? Internal, and one is external. So internal yani the fertilization which takes place inside the mother's body. Okay, inside the mother's body. External means external, outside the mother's body. Outside the mother's body. So, for example, okay, internal fertilizations. Most of the amphibians, like frog, fishes, okay. Then external, like human beings, then cat, dogs, etc. Okay. So in case of amphibians like fish and frogs, the internal fertilization takes place, whereas in case of human beings, cat, dogs, etc., and external fertilization takes place. So the next problem is how the zygote are formed. Zygote कैसे form होता है? Zygotes are formed due to the what? Fertilization. Zygotes are formed as a result of what? Result of fertilization. fertilization. Okay. So when male sex cells, that is sperm which contains 23 what chromosomes. And ovum, which is what female gametes, also contains 23 what chromosomes. When this sperm and ovum fuse with each other, okay, which is known as what fertilization. And form what? A single cell, which is what zygote. Okay. So when male sex cell, that is sperm, and the female sex cell, that is ova, or you can say ovum, fused with each other to form what zygote, which is of 46 chromosomes. Okay, chromosomes. So from the male parts 23 chromosomes, and from the female parts 23 chromosomes. Total is 46 chromosomes. So our zygote contains what 46 chromosomes, which is a fully body. Okay, full body chromosomes. Okay. So in this way zygotes are formed. So this is very important. BBI. This is very important. Okay. The next problem is discuss the whole process of sexual reproduction in animals. So sexual reproduction in animals कैसे होता है? So first steps क्या होता है? Sperm from male, and ovum from female. Okay, from female, they fuse with each other to form what zygote, which is a single cell of 46 chromosomes. Okay. So the zygote, when the zygote form, and they form in oviduct. Okay. They form in oviduct. It means that fertilization takes place in oviduct, and from the oviduct, the most zygote divides itself in the oviduct, and they moves to what uterus, and form what embryo. Okay, and this embryo develops into fetus, and from fetus what baby child. Okay, so from fetus baby develops. So this is the last stage of our what sexual reproduction in animals. Okay, सबसे पहले क्या होता है? स्पर्म एंड ओवम फर्टिलाइज होके जाइगोट का फॉर्मेशन होता है, एंड जाइगोट डिवाइड्स एंड फॉर्म व्हाट एम्ब्रायो, एंड फ्रॉम एम्ब्रायो फेटस होता है. इट मींस एम्ब्रायो इज द when this zygote develop, and from embryo, and embryo से क्या होता है? fetus. It means some parts of the baby, it means the embryo develops, and from fetus क्या होता है? baby हो जाता है, यानी वो fully develop हो जाता है. Okay. So the next problem is this produce the male sex hormones called what? So testes produce what? male sex cell. Okay, so testis is a very important sexual reproductive part of what? Female, male reproductive part, testis. Okay, it is basic sexual reproductive part of female, male, which produce what? Male sex hormones, which is called what? Testosterone. Testosterone. Okay, it's known as what? Testosterone. So next problem is the ovaries produce two female sex. So ovaries produce how many female sex? There are two female sex cell. Okay, sex hormones, which are known as what? Estrogen. 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 Estrogen and progesterone. Progesterone. Okay, so these are very important to female sex hormones. One is estrogen and one is progesterone. So next problem is, what is puberty? What is puberty? Okay, यानी कन्याकाल. So puberty किसे कहता है? The age at which sex hormones begins to be produced and the boy and girl become sexually what? Mature is called what? Puberty. So puberty क्या होता है? ये एक एज होता है जिस एज में लड़की एंड लड़का दोनों क्या होता है? सेक्सुअली मैच्योर हो जाता है एंड द हार्मोन्स आर स्टार्टिंग टू बी प्रोड्यूस. And this stage is what called puberty. Okay, puberty. Generally, this started from what? In case of female, it started from 10 to 12. Okay. So the next problem is the fertilizations of the ovum takes place in the fertilizations of ovum. कहाँ पर होता है? That is oviduct. Okay, fertilization takes place in oviduct. Okay, so the correct option is oviduct. Okay, now ओवरी में क्या होता है? ओवरी में होता है कि वो जो ओवम है ना वो रिलीज होता है. So ओवरी रिलीज what? ओवरी रिलीज what? ओवम. एंड यूटेरस में क्या होता है? जो एम्ब्रायो है ना वो fertilization के कारण क्या होता है? जाइगोट फॉर्मेशन होता है एंड जाइगोट्स डिवाइड एंड दे मूव्स टू यूटेरस एंड फॉर्म व्हाट? एम्ब्रायो. यूटेरस में क्या होता है? एम्ब्रायो होता है. एम्ब्रायो. एंड वो में क्या होता है? बेबी का डेवलप होता है. जो उसका जो देखभाल होता है वो वो में होता है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ओविडक्ट. So what is the function of ovary? So ovary produce what? Ovum, or you can say ova. And uterus, in uterus क्या होता है? एम्ब्रायो फॉर्मेशन होता है एंड वो में क्या होता है? बेबी का देखभाल. So the next problem, the exchange of nutrients, oxygen and waste product between the embryo and the mother takes place through the placenta. So हम कहते हैं कि जब बेबी पेट में होता है तब हम मम्मी को थान में जाने के लिए रोकते हैं, मॉर्निंग को पानी में काम करने के लिए रोकते हैं, क्योंकि जो मदर करता है वो बेबी को मिलता है. जैसे मदर जैसे ऑक्सीजन लेता है वो ऑक्सीजन बेबी को मिलता है, जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेता है वो भी बेबी को मिलता है. तो वो कैसे मिलता है? थ्रू द प्लेसेंटा. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड गेस्टेशन. ओके, गेस्टेशन क्या होता है? द टाइम पीरियड फ्रॉम fertilizations up to the birth of baby is called what? Up to the baby is called what? Gestation. यानी प्रेग्नेंट होने के बाद बेबी जन्म होने से पहले जो स्टेज होता है, जो टाइम पीरियड होता है, उसको क्या कहता है? गेस्टेशन. ओके, सो आफ्टर द फर्टिलाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस. ओके, फर्टिलाइजेशन होने के बाद जो बेबी जन्म लेने से पहले जितना टाइम होता है उसको कहते हैं gestation. Then the next problem is the first occurrence of menstruation. Okay, the first occurrence of menstruation at puberty is called what? At puberty is called menarche. Menarche. Okay, this starts from what? 10 to 12. Okay, 10 to 12. So the first occurrence of menstruation, जो सबसे पहला menstruation होता है लड़की का, उसको क्या कहते हैं? अरे puberty stage. Okay, इसको क्या कहते हैं? menarche. Okay, ये जो है ना 10 से 12 साल में स्टार्ट होने लगता है लड़की का. So the next problem is the permanent stoppage of menstruation in a woman is called what? So permanent stop, जब menstruation stop हो जाता है तो उसको कहता है menopause. Okay, ये जो है 45 to 50 की एज में स्टॉप हो जाता है. Okay, so and this period is called what? Called menopause. So the next one is what is menstruation and how it occurs? This is for homo. Please do these questions yourself and comment में जरूर भेजे. अगर इसका आंसर चाहिए, अगर नहीं हो रहा है आपसे तो comment में बोलिए. I will provide the answers, and if you need the notes you can WhatsApp me in this number. In this number you can WhatsApp me if you need any type of help, if you need any type of notes I will provide. And अगर इसका आंसर आपको चाहिए तो WhatsApp में यानी, or you can also comment in YouTube and I will provide you the notes. Okay, so this is all about today's video. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. So thank you for watching the video. So thank you.